So I've only ever been here once, and it honestly wasn't that long ago. I was looking for extra cats for my cat sale, and I've never filmed here before, and I wanted to switch it up and keep it local because I'm still a little bit under the weather. I'm at 1884 Market House in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. Let's go in and see what they got. All right, well, I already see a lot I love the Little Joseph Originals. That's at 16. The Chalkboard Dog, that's at 6. The Apple Planter, I already know I want to get in here because that cat, that's fantastic. It's only $5. And then those ones are 7. How much is that? Dude, $7 for the pair. Oh my gosh, I'm getting all of these. And then there's another one up here. $6, I'll take that. You think we have enough cats? Look at this one. This is kind of interesting. It's resin. It's contemporary. Still cool though. I'm gonna get a key for this. Off to a good start. $10 on the hobnail. I think I can leave that behind. I remember it was kind of an unusual setup. A lot of the glass is either contemporary or not my style. Oh, very cool. Whoa, this is probably expensive. Or priceless. Not sure what's going on there. Maybe that's the tag for it. It's a little confusing. I think I'm gonna let that go back to where it was. Lots of Fenton, but really just the baskets. I'm not a glass basket person. I find that they don't do that well. What is happening here? Unfortunately, it's got a chip and it's priceless. It's got a crack, I mean. That's double whammy. What about some of this? 35, okay, a little spendy. Wait, what? Oh, it's 2. It's still, that's a little high. Whoa. Check out this piece. It's missing an eyeball, that's why. Still very neat. Love the turquoise eye. Some more milk glass. Bunch of Fenton shoes. I don't see any colors that really excite me. 18 on that one. I got some really nice ones in West Virginia, which is no surprise because I was right next to Fenton, like literally. I like the looks of it over here. Looking at the bracelets. Contemporary, not really my thing. What is this? Oh, Avon. I don't want that. Not that there's anything wrong with Avon. I love this boxer dog. It's pretty great. And I actually have one of these right now. 20% off, so $12. That's a good price. But since I already have one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pass. Japan vase. Is this made in Japan? I don't think so. I think that's contemporary. I don't want that. Looks contemporary. Lots of figurines. All different age ranges. Nothing that's really screaming for me yet. Oh my gosh, the left in Valentine's Day box. 24, that's a really good price too. I think I'm gonna pass on it today because I'm just feeling a little cheap and picky. I've had a couple of them recently. Oh my gosh, but look at the Risque Lady bottle opener. That's fabulous. And it's only $9. I think it's got a little bit of wear on it, but it's such a good price. Oh, look, a little Hager pig. $4. It's missing its mate, but for $4 I'll take the pig. And look at this fun little thing. $9, I think. That's a stretch for resale. What about this whale? He's pretty great. Glass whale, chip tail. Just kidding, I don't want that. This is really fun. I think I'll get that too. I won't get that because I just realized why it's so cheap. It's missing the actual bottle opener thing. Just kidding. Fenton bells are kind of on the same page as baskets, but that's really pretty. $25 though. I think that's too much to risk on a bell, since they're not that great a seller. Oh, it's so pretty though. You know, when I picked this up, I saw it had a tiny, tiny, tiny nick on it, and I unfortunately can't unsee it, so I think I'm just gonna put it back. What is going on here? This is contemporary, but it's so fun. That's much more my speed. Well, you know, I noticed this giant thing of bracelets. There's one in here that caught my attention. Oh my gosh, that's so fabulous. $3 sold. Now let me take a second look at some of these. That one's $5. Oh, it's for the pair, but still, oh, I'm not even showing it. The wind chime situation is intense. This is a fun little stretchy one. It's kind of small for a stretchy one. I like to pick up the stretchy ones for the people who can't bangle. That's a fun one, even though it's... What is going on here, actually? Oh, that's so great. $5. Yeah, that's pretty fun. I think I'm going to go ahead and take that. I like the look of it. And... what's this one? It's new. Anything else? It's not the easiest thing to look through one-handed. See a lot of the metal bracelets. I don't think there's anything else. What's that? Nothing. Just kidding. Is that a snake bracelet? No, it looked like it could have been at first. Purple cows. $9 for the salt and pepper shaker, $10 for the creamer. Both really good prices, but again, on the more common side. And I'm trying to stick to stuff that I haven't picked up before, or at least recently. Oh my gosh, look at these little glass animals. Those are so fantastic. Look at the fish. There's so many of them. And they're $2.50 each, and they're so cute. Look at the derpy dog in the back. That thing's so great. Oh my gosh, look. Ooh, ice cream cone, salt and pepper shakers. $8. I'll take those. That's such a great set. Now, this is a set I always pick up when I see it for cheap, because it just makes me so happy. All right, I'm gonna head up to the next level here. What is this blue bear? I think it's contemporary, made to look old. Really strange looking. I feel like it's haunted. Yeah, they're artist made. They're really cool. They have such unique expressions. That's very cool. They do a good job on those. What's going on over here? Can't tell what's going on with these. They're like hobbyist or something interesting. And then I see the lady planter. $15. That's a good price too, but more than I'd like to have invested. I put that back there. Oh, purple slag glass. Oh, nice. $30. That's super pretty. Well, this is cool. Goble Early Cat Family on Chain, $20. And it's got a nick, unfortunately. That's really nice, though. I've never seen it in that size. Really great expressions, too. What is this? Clay sculpted unicorn. He is fantastic. He reminds me of the Never-Ending Story. Oh, I do love this bell. That's really pretty. Love that bohemian look. This is the booth I found a couple epic cats in last time. Let's see if they've brought anything else in. This is kind of interesting looking. What's this one? Yeah, it's Russian. Russian cat, $15. I don't think I've had a Russian cat before. I think I'll have to get that. Russian stuff usually does pretty well. It's harder to find too, I noticed. Look at this funny little thing. He's 25. Wow, that's a fantastic, made in Germany. Oh, it's so good though. I kind of want to get it anyway. It's really interesting. Turtle pins are fun. I love the metal enamel pins. A little spendy though. Oh, I was really trying not to avoid getting keys, but I think those kind of look like Bakelite. No, they might not be. Can't really tell from the reflection of the glass. Either way, they're $7. But this one, that's Bakelite. I can tell. Faceted. And the jewelry in here is pretty inexpensive, so I'm assuming it's a good deal. Whoa. I figured I better finish up this floor before I call the key person up here. Make sure there's only one thing. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. That Jack in the Pulpit back there is so good. And the fairy lamp's pretty, even though I don't usually like fairy lamps. $40 on the Fenton cat. I love the Westmoreland, excuse me, Jade-Eyed Dog. And then up here, has some really nice stuff. Nothing that's going on my key list yet, though. Oh, a little vintage flamingo pin, $3. I'll take that. Whoa, they need like a caution sign when you turn the corner. That scared the crap out of me. That is a giant Shirley Temple. Wow. It's gonna take a second to come down from that. Look at that amazing monkey doll thing. See another cat pin. $5. I don't think this is what I want it to be. No, it's not. I'm gonna put it back. But that long blue cat pin is pretty awesome. I'm gonna add that to my key list. That's pretty great, and it's only $5. Oh my gosh, and then the micro mosaics, $9. Yeah, I gotta get a key. I can't wait any longer. There's too many things happening. All right, what's going on with Santa? Santa's pretty fun. He's also 25 cents. Why not? Well, I broke down and called the key person. I was trying to avoid getting this because it's so fragile, but it's so amazing, and it's $18, and it's right next to the other case I'm opening, so I think I'm gonna take a look at that perfume bottle as well. I'm on a real roll today. I did just find a Bakelite faceted bangle for freaking $5. Love the cat box. I'm not sure if I'm trying to get more keys up here again after that. I don't want to make her run all the way around. Let's see what else they got in here. That's an interesting color, isn't it? It's like almost jade. It's really weird. $60. And insert the point where I just realized it says 50% off everything. So I am going to take a second look down here. What about this one? It's only $7.50. It's an earlier one, too. The glass is kind of hot right now. And since it's spikier, we know it's earlier. I think I will get that for $7.50. That is what this says, right? Yeah. And then I guess this is included in this sale. This is really pretty. Love the opalescent. $50 Northwood. Yeah, that's really pretty. So $25. I think I'll leave that. Whoa, cool vintage beaded pouch. $3. Sold. Yeah, I remember I got a couple cool, really neat bracelets from this booth last time I was here, and everything was like under $5. It was amazing. I'll take that. Another pocket of Fenton over here. Very top. God, that's so pretty though. Oh, that kills me. I would get that. Whoa, the pink one. Wait, stop. This is $18? For real? What's wrong with it? I love pink opalescent. It does say $18. Well, I'm gonna get that. You can't even tell what color it is. It's so dark back here. Probably why it's still here. Check this thing out. That is gorgeous. All right, now back here, the little red one is 10. That's not bad at all. Why is, oh, it's chipped. Oh, it's really badly chipped. Still, just turn it around, hide it. $10. That's a little bit more common, but it's been a while since I've had it. What about the Crest 28? That's a good price too. I'm still confused why that one was 18. Let's see. Oh, God, that startled me. What about this one? This kind of chocolatey one. Chipped, $8. blue overlay vase. Priceless. All right, we're in the final stretch here. What? It's not what I thought it was at all. I got really excited from afar. I thought it was gonna be glass coming up the stairs there. This is really pretty, but I don't think it's what I want it to be. What is this funny squirrel back here? $15. Always so fabulous. That's about retail though. Well, I ended up spending $130 in there and I got some really great stuff. So I'm excited. I'm gonna take a break, get some lunch, and who knows where I'll go to next.